They gon' love me for my ambition.
Y'all, she's almost back. I got my eyebrows did, and so now I have a few things that I want to just try. So this is just gonna be a ambitions tries whatever she wants to do with her hair and her face type video. I guess that's get ready with me. So I've been seeing people do like the side swoop, like whoosh, in the front and then like a high situation. I want to try that today. And then for makeup, I got me my first Natasha Denona palette. It's the old one, like the Sunset palette, the small one. Child, whatever, it's new to me, okay? And I have the Maybelline Adrian Wine concealer again because I'm like, I want to try this again. Jackie Aina likes it, so I want to like it too. And then I have my first Stila, what are these, liquid eyeshadows. I saw this at Target. No, I lied. I saw this at Marshall's, and I've always wanted to try these. So I'm like, let me just try these today. Ooh, little makeup brushes. These are so cute. Look at this. Nah. Yeah, I need to see the real color of this. Hold on. Yeah, see the color? It's super light on camera because I got so much lights. I want to have it angled, right? How do you part your hair for these things? Fun fact about me, I don't like using the rat tail part. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. No one told me how to use it, so I don't use it. I use the comb part. I don't know how much is enough for a swoop, but my hair is shorter in the front. So this might not even work. Oh, maybe it will be. Ooh. So I kind of did like a triangle. Like so. I want it snatched. Like, well, not pulling my edges snatched. But you see, like, I got my eyebrows done. So I want them to be not a puff where it's just like, I don't know if that makes any sense. So I have a tutorial on my channel of how to fake your low ponytails and how to make your puffs look bigger. But I don't think I've ever showed you guys, if you have short to medium hair, how to make your high buns look bigger. So actually, let's show you guys that. Alright, I got 3 big old scrunchies and some bobbies. And the gels I'm actually using, if you don't know already, I use my As I Am smoothing gel and my Aaliyah Naturals Hold It gel. And then, I don't know what edge control to use yet. I like to discreetly put my hair like in half right by my ear. I say discreetly because I'm not parting my hair. I don't want a very obvious part because you're going to be gathering your hair together. Separate the back. The back is going to be formed in the bun after you do this part first. Alright. Use some water. I put the smoothing gel first just because I like to see waves in my hair. I do. This is going to be a textured, snatched bun. Some of the Aaliyah gel. I don't put much of this though because this hold is crazy. Alright, so you're going to form your bun, your ponytail, as high as you want it. So, okay, not too many times because you're going to be adding hair. So you see how small my little thing looks? Well, obviously I just put my hair. But if I had just put all of my hair in one, it's going to look just like this, bald. Alright, so I applied my gels. So now you're just going to make sure when you brush it, that you brush it like that. So you're covering the fact that you split your hair in half. No one needs to know that, but you and God. Grab your other ponytail holder and then combine it.
Keep riding on the freeway. Keep pretending that it's pretense.
So let's just fix it. So bobby pins. I like for my bun to be messy. So just put that like that. Time for the swoop. I've never done it. Okay. You know what I used to do back in the day too? I used to like have my hair, I used to plaster it to my face. Just like this. Comment down below and let me know if you've done this or your auntie, your favorite auntie look like this. The smoothing one first. But not too much. I really don't want this to crinkle too much. And then we're going to do the Aaliyah gel. Let's put some edge control. Brush Down Tamer CBD and 24 karat gold. One.
Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like the snow.
Don't do this if you have layers in the front or if the hair is in the front is shorter. Well, I have layers on my hair, and so the front of my hair is shorter, and it's just like, it's not trying to lay down. She being annoying. But this from back in the day, this is about to be a throwback of everything. I just found it. I used to use this when I used to wrap my hair when my hair was straight. Alright, let's get this makeup started.
Wanna tell me what you're feeling? One word out of your mouth.
I really like that this is the concealer that I usually use on my eyelids anyway. So it's like a real seamless type of thing going on. Because I just have this on hand right now, I have my Beauty Bakery Coffee and Cocoa palette. I'm just gonna take this one right here, just like a little bit, and just like set all over my eye, just a little bit. So because it's warmer and it's hot now, I like to use my NYX Proof It waterproof base. I'm using the same brush that I just used to kind of tap it in. Y'all, I feel like since quarantine I've lost my makeup skills, so I'm low-key doing this to see if I still got it, and I don't know. Here's the Natasha Denona, it's so weird, mini sunset palette. I like it. I'm gonna take this color right here, which is Halo, this one, and put that in my crease. For some reason I thought it wasn't going to show up on my skin, but it actually does. Dirty Mars, the one in the very middle. Ooh, that's very pigmented, and this brush is actually very, very nice. It's the first time using it. So far, these colors from the Natasha Denona palette is very pigmented and very buttery. This is 5 colors and this was $25. Let's do the lighter color. So, ooh, that's nice. I kind of wish I wet the brush because there's fallout, but the 3 Stila liquid eyeshadows I have. This one right here is Burnished Sienna. One in the middle is called Follow the Sun. And then the last one is Sunset Fire. So I think I'm going to put Follow the Sun on my eye. I don't know. Actually, no, I'm going to put Sunset Fire on my eye. I think that will actually bring this out a little bit more.
Like starting a fire. Don't know what's worse, the pain or the hesitation.
Okay, so now just gonna wipe off the glitter and the fallout. This is usually why I like to do my eyes first, because glitter is no joke. Now I'm gonna use my NYX Angel Veil primer. I go between this and my Milk Hydro Grip primer for the summertime. Alright, for foundation, I'm gonna use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and it's kind of not pumping, so just gonna do like that. And mind you, I'm not going anywhere, so I'm just doing my makeup. But if I was to go somewhere, I would have actually put powder on my face. In fact, I have a summer makeup routine video. If you want to know exactly what I do to make sure your makeup doesn't come off during the summer heat, then go ahead and check that out. I think someone asked me actually, what do I do or how do I apply my makeup when my edges are done? This is exactly what I do. I just make sure like I kind of go underneath it while it's drying. And well, I do my edges first. I do my hair first all the time. And you usually can't really tell the difference anyway because my foundation usually matches my forehead. So if you feel like you have to put makeup in your edges or around your edges for it to match, that means your foundation's off. It's not matching your scalp. There's 2 concealers I want to try, and I've been seeing people like doubling up their concealers lately, and I'm like, sure, I'll try it. So again, you have the Maybelline Age Rewind one, and then I had this sitting on my vanity collecting dust. I don't know what the receipt is. So the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Rich Chocolate. I tried it, but I don't like hydrating anything. I don't like the NARS hydrating concealer. I didn't like the NYX hydrating one. I tried this, I didn't like it, so I think I'm gonna put this one on first. Ooh, almost broke my whole nail when it has an arrow to open it. And this is in the color Hazelnut. I'm sorry, Carter. Just wait. Just wait. I have to. Let that sit just a tad bit. I need some more coverage, like under my eyes. So I'm gonna put some more, and then we will switch to the e.l.f. one. I don't feel like it's giving me coverage. I don't feel like having to apply like 50 million coats of it to make it have coverage, to be honest. Now the e.l.f. concealer. I feel like it's gonna darken my face. I don't mind using it on top of my full coverage concealer, but on its own, I don't like it. So yeah, I could definitely use this in the summertime, get some extra glow. All right, I'm gonna use my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. The concealer is a little bit darker. I'm gonna just put some of this under my eyes, but I'm not gonna like put a lot.
It's hard to make it through.
Put my Fenty Beauty powder in the color Nutmeg all over my face. Set that foundation, but I'm gonna use a fluffy brush. See, these brushes are so freaking cute. The Maybelline concealer did not give me enough coverage that I like. No ma'am, no sir. Me no like. Let's do some bronzer. Beauty Bakery Cocoa and Coffee palette. I'm gonna just use this one. I like it, but I also don't like it because it has like sparkles in it. So I usually just dip it in and then knock off the excess to hopefully hope that knocks off the sprinkles, because I don't like that. For blush, my e.l.f. my e.l.f. blush in the color Dark. Yeah, dark. So I'm gonna just mix these two. These two. Okay, y'all, I kind of went overboard with the lashes, but I'm trying something new. Clearly, this whole video, I'm trying something new. So these lashes are from Amazon. I'll just link it down below. But these are what it looks like. I was gonna go with this one, but that was just way too much. That's probably like a one shadow type look. So yeah, I don't know. I think I went a little overboard, but you know what? Go big or go home. For my lip combo, I'm also trying something new again. I have a new Kat Von D Relaxing Liquid Lipstick in the color Crucifix. They had this color in particular for $5 on Sephora. So I was like, let me just try this color. I saw this girl use this as her lip liner. So I'm like, sure, why not? Let's try that.
We keep riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense.
I never used a liquid lipstick as my lip liner, so that was a little weird. I'm gonna take my MAC and Aaliyah collaboration in the color Try Again. It's a matte lipstick, and it's like a nudie, back in the day brownish color.
Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like
I don't know why I thought this brown was gonna be browner, but I guess because, I don't know, I'm brown. My Aaliyah collaboration lip gloss in the color Brooklyn Born. It's a nice like gold silverish tone, just to put like in the center there. I think that will make it look really nice. First you don't succeed. Then I'm gonna put some lip oil. I can't find like clear lip gloss, so I'm just gonna use some Ulta lip oil in cranberry and pomegranate. It's gonna give off a reddish tone, but whatever. I just need it to be glossier than this. That was so much work for that combination, but this is pretty. I'll be back. Ooh, this is cute. This came out really good. The waves is actually not that bad. I really wanted it to be sleek, but I don't think this would ever be sleek unless my hair is straight. Let me show y'all what the back looks like. It feels flat though, but it is gonna look weird because I have to put the bobby pins. So this is what it looks like. I think it's up here. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. Comment down below. Tell me what your thoughts. Have you tried this palette, this lip gloss, this concealer? Like, just let your girl know. And don't forget to subscribe so you see more from me. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.